Thinking about outsourcing, but not sure if it's right for your business? Let's explore the basics and discover why outsourcing could be a game changer for you. So what exactly is outsourcing? It's all about bringing in external pros to handle specific tasks or processes so you can focus on what you do best. Why should you care about outsourcing? First up, it lets you zero in on your core business while the experts handle the rest. More focus, more growth. Next, outsourcing can slash costs. Imagine getting top-notch skills without the hefty price tag of full-time hires. That's a win-win. Plus, you get access to a global talent pool. Think of it as having the world's best experts right at your fingertips. Let's see if you're ready to start outsourcing. Follow these steps. Step 1. Figure out which tasks you can outsource. Look at which repetitive tasks eat up your time. Time to free yourself. Step 2. Pinpoint existing skill gaps for the tasks you want to offload. What roles or expertise are you missing? Step 3. Thoroughly evaluate whether or not your business is ready to scale its operations. Otherwise, outsourcing falls flat. Step 4. Review whether your business's systems and IT infrastructure can handle outsourcing without a hitch. Step 5. Think about your budget. How much can you comfortably spend on outsourcing without breaking the bank? Unity Communications has your back every step of the way. Our expert team crafts outsourcing solutions just for you. Let's make it happen. Ready to jump in? Visit our website to discover more and kickstart your outsourcing journey with us today. We are Unity Communications. Win with us.